Do you have these symptoms? Fear, palpitation, evening dread? What if I told you these symptoms are not just in your mind? What if there is something inside your gut, silently affecting your mind, emotions, sleep, your heart rate, even your thoughts? It is called H.pylori and it's hiding in millions of bodies undiagnosed. In this video you will learn how to identify it, how to kill it, and how to restore your body naturally in just a week. But stay till end, because missing even one of these could make it become stronger. Most people think H. pylori only cause ulcer or indigestion, but that's just the beginning. A recent study shows that this bacteria can trigger chronic anxiety, disrupt serotonin production, leads to insomnia and panic attack, cause irregular heartbeat. H. pylori lives in your stomach lining. It's not a virus. It's a spiral-shaped bacteria that digs into your gut wall and stays there for years. And the scariest part is, most doctors don't check for it unless you specifically ask. Your guts produce over 90% of your serotonin, the better feeling hormone. But when H. pylori infects your gut, inflammation kicks in, which causes poor serotonin production, poor activation of stress hormone, sleep dysregulation, and nervous system imbalance. You kept waking up 3 a.m. in panic. You thought it's anxiety, but it was your gut all along. No matter how much you meditated, you felt on edge. Later, you found out you have H. pylori. Everything will change. Symptoms you must not ignore: chronic bloating, bad breath even after brushing, nausea, nightmares, rapid heartbeat, constant fear or dread, unexplained fatigue, insomnia, and chest tightness. If you have 3 or more of these, it's time to look deeper. Here is how to fix it naturally at your home in 3 steps. First one is morning routine. On empty stomach, drink a glass of warm water plus 1 teaspoon of raw honey, half teaspoon baking soda plus lemon juice. Midday, eat broccoli, garlic, cabbage, turmeric, and probiotic. If you don't know probiotic, then comment below. I will tell you what is probiotic and their dosage. Night routine. Take peppermint tea, 5-minute belly breathing for vagus nerve activation. But always avoid these mistakes. First, eating sugar, using antibiotic without probiotics, skipping sleep, and drinking alcohol. If you also want me to make a video on medication for H. pylori, subscribe to our channel and comment below medication or medicine. I will make a next video on this. Take care of yourself.